I'm all about them sport bikes, yo. I ain't about this fucking Grom shit. This fucking, what a dick. Yeah, you see that wheelie right there, boys? Look at that. Oh yeah, dude. This thing sounds so good. Listen to that. Supermotors are fucking gay, dude. I'm all about them fucking sport bikes. Ultimate speed, man. Look at this shit, guys. Yeah. I could be a fucking hooligan too. Look at that. Oh shit, dude. I'm a total fucking hooligan, dude. Look at me right now. Can you believe this shit? I'm on a sidewalk. Oh, goddamn Groms. Fuck off, Grom. Fuck off with your bullshit. Yeah, look at that shit. I can do it too. Oh god. Oh. Check out this speed run right here, guys. Oh my god, so much power. Whoa, slow down. Whoa. God damn, I'm out of control.